Why am I so used to all this bad news? Why won't my troubles go away? When I am the one always hanging on to yesterday. You know I try, I want you by my side when the skies turn cold and gray. Just lay back down, I'm telling you now why you should stay.